Hi guys, today we are solving this problem called longest consecutive sequence. This is a hard problem and it has been asked in a lot of interviews by Amazon, Google and other facts. So let's read the problem statement. Given an unsorted array of integers nums, return the length of longest consecutive element sequence. What does this problem statement mean exactly? Let's try to understand by writing some text here. So if we have an array with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12 to 14. So what do we have to exactly count is, okay, so I just take a few things. Okay, so basically what we have to count is we have to take the longest consecutive sequence together or not together or overall in the array which might be present. So here, as we can see, is if we have this example, so we have a consecutive sequence, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the max length is 5. Now, we move further. We see that we have um, another sequence, which is 10, 11, 12, which is consecutive, and we have 13 missing for 14 to make this again consecutive of length 4. So this is again of length 3. And after that, finally, we have our final sequence, which has length 1. So what do we have to return is max length, which is 4 in this case. So in this case, if we had this array, we had to return 5. So I hope it is a little bit easier now, but we try to understand with the given example once again. So here, let's have different colors for different kinds of different sequences. So as we have 100 here, we mark this color for the first kind of sequence, and we don't have anything minus 100 or anything plus 100, which is we don't have 99 or 101 to make this sequence longer. So we move on to the next sequence, which starts with 4. So we have this sequence which starts with 4, and we do have something which is less than 4, but we don't have anything which is greater than 4. So we move on to the part where we have number which is less than 4, which is 3. So we take this into account. Now we move on to the element which is 1 less than 3, which is 2 again. Then we move on to the element which is 1 less than 2, which is 1. So now we have a maximum length of 4, as we have 1, 2, 3, 4 together in one array. And then we have our next, we want the next element, which is 200, which is not related to any of the sequences. So we take this as another sequence. So now we have 3 sequences, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 and 200. So the maximum length of consecutive elements is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 4. So we take that into account, and that is how we are going to solve this problem. We are going to solve this problem using hash set. So while we put all our elements into the hash set initially, the elements will be sorted after in the set. So after that, we are going to check if we have any element one less than or one greater than that element while traversing through the array. So for example, if we have 100, let's take the second example. If we have 0 here, we'll check if we have any element which is 1 less than 0 here. That is -1. We don't have that here. We'll check if we have any element which is 1 plus than 0. That is 1 here. We do have that. So the consecutive string length would become 2. And we'll check again if we have any element which is 1 less than or 1 greater than the present element, which is 2. We have that. So we take that into account. So that length becomes 3. And similarly, we keep iterating until our until our longest consecutive subsequence is formed. So let's try to solve this now without further ado. So we'll create a hash set of integers. Let's call this set new hash set. Now what we're going to do is we are going to have a for loop, and we're going to put all of our elements from the nums array into the set. Set.add. What set is going to do is, firstly, it is going to return all the elements in a sorted form, and it is going to remove all of the duplicates, which is 0. In this case, we have 0 and 0 twice. So we'll remove the duplicates and we'll have all the elements only once. So now, after this is done, we'll have an integer which we are going to return finally, which is the longest consecutive sequence. So let's name it longest consecutive sequence. We'll take this as 0. After that, we're going to traverse through the array nums. Like that, if we don't have any elements, that dot contain num minus 1. If we don't have any element which is 1 less than the present element, then we're going to follow these steps, which is we'll have another integer where we'll store the current element, which is, let's call this current element. We take this as num. And we'll have a current maximum string. Let's call this current max and take this as 1 because we're already taking num into account. So we will check until set dot contains current element plus 1. So we're going to keep checking until our set contains all of the elements which are in a sequence, that is 0. Then we check for 1 in the given set. If 1 is present, we increase the length. And if 1 is present, then we check for 2. If 2 is present, we check for 3. Similarly, we will increase our current element, and we will also increase our current max, our current streak. After this is done, we will come out of the loop and we will check for the longest. We will update our longest consecutive subsequence to match.max of current max and longest consecutive subsequence. And what we're going to return after this is the longest consecutive subsequence. Let's try to run this. Let's see if we have any errors. No, let's try to submit this. A solution is accepted. So to solve this problem, there are other approaches as well, but I found this one the most intuitive, and I hope you guys understood. And yeah, I'll see you again. Thank you.